Can you actually make money teaching online if you're not a teacher? No teaching degree, no classroom, maybe no professional teaching experience? Getting accepted is one thing, getting your first paying student is another. So I investigated 3 online teaching platforms to find out who can actually join, what does it actually take to land your first student, and which one I choose if I was starting from zero. Preply. Let's start with Preply. Preply says you don't need a specific teaching certificate or previous teaching experience to apply. You create a profile, record an introduction video, and set your own rate. But getting approved doesn't automatically bring students. Your profile still has to compete for attention, and Preply itself recommends that new tutors consider starting with a lower rate to help attract their first students. And there's one catch you definitely need to know. For every new student, Preply takes 100% commission on the trial lesson. After that, its commission starts at 33% and decreases as you teach more. So the barrier to applying may be relatively low. Getting your first student is the harder part. Quickly, if you like practical investigations like these for opportunities, consider subscribing to Oglove Media. Now, AmazingTalker. AmazingTalker approaches the student problem differently. Instead of only waiting for someone to discover your profile, the platform can match you with students looking for particular skills, and tutors can contact those matched students. That's interesting if you're worried about finding your first student. But there's a trade-off. Compared with Preply, AmazingTalker puts more emphasis on applicants who already have teaching or tutoring experience. So if you already know how to teach, AmazingTalker could be worth investigating. Starting completely from zero? That experience requirement matters. Then there's Verbling, and this one almost answers the beginner question immediately. If you have neither teaching certification nor verifiable teaching experience, Verbling says you won't be accepted. So this isn't the platform I'd start with as a complete beginner. But if you're already an experienced language teacher, there's something attractive here. You set your own rate, and Verbling currently takes 15% commission. New teachers also receive a temporary boost in Verbling's rankings to help them get discovered. But after that, you're competing for students like everyone else. So Verbling has the toughest entry barrier of these 3, but potentially a more attractive commission once you're in. So, which would I choose? If I was starting from zero, Preply is my best choice. It's not because it's necessarily the easiest place to make money. I choose it because I could apply without already having professional teaching experience. But I'd go in expecting the first student to be the real challenge. I'd put serious effort in 3 things: my profile, my introduction video, and a sensible starting rate. Because once you're accepted, the question changes from, will the platform let me in, to why should this student choose me? If you want me to actually create a tutor profile and document what happens, tell me which platform you'd like me to try in the comments. At Oglove Media, we're not here to sell dreams, we're here to build opportunities. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next episode.